Bearing and Power Transmission Supplier Repairs, Port Macquarie, New South Wales. This is a standout opportunity for an investor seeking to gain more market share across the mid-north coast. With a 40-year history of steady growth, TalkTech would also suit a mechanically minded buyer. The impressive client base includes all the Shire councils, timber mills, concrete plants, bird and marine, and many more. Future opportunities are endless with the rapid growth of the region, plus an outstanding reputation built on quality work. Government negotiations are already in play to supply the new Oven Mountain Hydro project at Kempsey. The spacious premises are well located and, with great staff in place, the business can run without the owner on site.